Today is the next day, the first day of our holiday. We're in this hotel. I don't know what is the name of this hotel. I don't even know, but it's where we're staying right here. Adam. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. How are you? You're good? Okay. You know you're going to fall, right? You will fall if you're not sitting. Thank you for understanding. It's so hot, you guys. I said to wear this brown bikini and stuff. Oh yeah. Yesterday we couldn't. We were so tired. Are you sure we're going now? We're heading to the beach right now. I'm sleeping. It's so hot. It feels like in Africa right now. It's so nice. Wait, Africa is how many kilometers away from here? It's not the 300 kilometers from Africa. My God. Anyways.
The whole continent.
Yeah. How do you feel being in Sardinia? I feel so blessed being here, man.
Yeah.
Yesterday on the way, it reached that what? It was how many? It reached 30 degrees. That's like really hot. I keep on thinking, how will I survive when I go back to Tanzania? Even though I used to live there. Anyways, yeah. I'll survive when I come to TZ. It's so hot, man. I'm wearing these not for fun, it's just because it's really hot. You cannot wear a sweater here. You will
Selling watermelon on the
die.
street.
They have to, like, watermelon will like soothe your body and throat. The nature is different from where? From Germany here. Like the trees, the vibe is just completely different. I like it. I also like the vibe of the nature of Germany, but I like this one more because it reminds me of home. Reminds me of my country, Tanzania. Oh yeah. I had to put on sunscreen because I don't want to get like sunburns. You know, even black people get sunburned. If you're black, don't forget to put on your sunscreen when it's sunny. When it's too sunny, do that. Protect your skin, darling.
They're cooking right here, food fest. Barbecue right there.
You can buy it, or?
Yeah, they selling.
Oh, it smells
Bad.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
selling food on the street.
Jeez.
Oh, shit.
I want some barbecue meat. At least that too from Tanzania.
Now
Barbecue.
first we're heading to the beach.
Mishkaki.
Then I'm sure they make it something like that.
By the beach, I'm sure it's more pricey.
Yeah, but we are 6 kilometers from there.
Oh yeah.
5 minutes.
We'll see once we're there at the beach. So windy out here. nice for his skin because it's too warm right now. It's like we're in a swimming pool, yo. Ah, it's so cold. What is that? Say good morning. Good morning.
Hey.
You don't want to see me there. Who is that? Who is that? Good morning, Lucy. Adam, what are you doing, brother? Tell him wake up. It's almost 8. Here she. Day 2, guys. Day 2. What is this beach called again? La Pelosa. Adam, look. Can you see? Say hi. Say we're in beach La Pelosa. Beach La Pelosa. Say that. You can see that. You can see yourself doing that. Okay. We finished the lunch. We didn't vlog the lunch part because Lassie is always shy to take out the camera.
No.
Yes, he is.
No way, Kes.
Always shy.
Who is shy?
You. Take vlog right
Let's
now.
talk about.
No.
Let's talk about.
Take the camera. Take the camera. Say something.
Hello. Thank for everyone. We are here in the famous La Pelosa. This is one of the best beaches in Sardinia and Italy.
Why?
Because of the crystal clear water, and you can walk 100 or 200 meters. You can see that old building. We will. Okay. See you guys soon. I need my sunglasses. I can't see clearly. See you soon, guys.
This is our dinner, jamani. Adam loves to smile at everyone. Hey.
What's your name?
Adam.
Say Adam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hungary. She's from Tanzania. But we're living in Germany.
Yeah.
You are Italian, no?
No.
You wish though, you love it, Terry. Finished. I usually can't eat this, but I'm sorry, pizza lovers, but some of us got weak teeth out here. I'm so full. This is me. No, I'm sure you guys know this. For those who are following me on Instagram, you know my favorite pants. They're so comfy. I'm so sleepy and tired. Today we went like 170 kilometers away from the hotel.
They close now.
And then we came. Oh, then you should go inside to give. Or
You have to come with another time. They close
Yeah.
at 10:30.
Plus, it looks so good today.
Thank you, Pete.
What are those? Jordan.
Regular. Short.
See you
It's
later.
kind of
See you later.
soft.
It's comfortable.
Really soft.
See you tomorrow, guys. Anyways, I was saying that it wasn't good to say good night without you guys seeing my face. Let's just say good night. So see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Tomorrow. And this is like a 24-hour shop there. You can buy some drinks and stuff. How nice.
Very nice. You can buy Snickers there with cola.
I'm so fat, yo.
Big bag. Streets of sardine.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Where that going on?
The bun. Oh my gosh. Pull it up. So I'm
They are following me. Let's move.
This dude is. What is wrong in your stomach?